A warm welcome to Nagaraja Krishnappa YouTube channel. In this video, 9th standard, second language English, Unit 4, Whatever We Do, written by Clifford Martis. Notes will be uploaded. I will be just rushing through the slides. I request you to pause the video wherever necessary and write down the notes. Let us begin. About the author, Clifford Martis is a Christian by birth, a socialist by choice, and a lawyer by profession. He studied in Don Bosco High School, Lonavala, Pune in 1969. He lives in Mumbai. His hometown is Mahim in Maharashtra. He works with Every Child or Child organization to bring happiness on every child's face. He is an RTI activist. Glossary: destination, a place to which someone is going. Complacent, too pleased or satisfied with oneself. Suppose, to think or believe that something is true. Gratitude, the feeling of being graceful. Make amends, compensate, make up for. Sarcastically, a way of using words that are opposite of what you mean. Sterically, ambience, the character and atmosphere of a place. Reassuringly, by way of restoring confidence. Alms, money, clothes, food given away to the poor. Persist, to behave firmly. Innovation, introduction of new things or ideas. Fare, old-fashioned or formal food that is offered as a meal. Devoid of, lacking, empty. Courtesy, good manners. Relegate, give less importance. First main, answer the following questions in a word or phrase or sentence. Question number 1. The author says, let us make them better and better. What does the word them stand for here? Answer: the word them refers to our actions and words. Question number 2. Imagine that a parent of your friend says, work only for the result. How would you respond to this statement? Answer: I would respond to this statement by saying, thank you sir, thanks a lot for your kind suggestion. Question number 3. What are the ways in which we usually thank a person for having helped? Answer: some of the best ways in which we usually express thank a person for having helped us are as follows: I am very grateful to you, or you have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Question number 4. How do you react if others make you wait? Answer: oh, it's okay. It's pleasure waiting for you. Question number 5. Why does the author lay emphasis on adding words to our actions and also adding actions to our words? Answer: the author lays emphasis on adding words to our actions and also adding an action to our words because we can do better in that way. Question number 6. What sort of word and what kind of action would make any situation better? Answer: I'm extremely sorry. Giving you some trouble. Give me a minute, sir. We will finish in no time. Would you mind, may I extend helping hand to finish task? These sort of statements make any situation better. Second main, answer the following in 2 to 3 sentences each. Question number 1. How do you think doctors can improve their image with their language? Answer. Doctors treating patients can make their jobs much better if they choose to talk nicely to their patients. They should think that talking nicely and reassuringly is also part of treatment. Couple of friendly words from the doctor or even a smile can go a long way in making the patient feel better. Question number 2. What difference do you find in the auto rickshaw driver's response? Discuss. Answer. According to the author, we find a difference in the auto rickshaw driver's response. Once the author asked the rickshaw driver to take him to city hospital. The driver did not respond to the author, simply he downed the meter and started the auto and took the author to his destination. On another occasion, he asked another driver to take him to Central Market. The driver simply responded, "Sorry sir, it is time for me to hand over the auto." Thus we find different responses from auto rickshaw drivers. If want to say no to someone, we can say in the most pleasant way. Question number 3. How would public notices need to be changed according to the author? Answer. According to the author, number of public notices, instruction and orders like no parking, no smoking, no admission, visitors cars are not allowed and so on. But the words used sound rather rough. They should be changed, at least in case of no smoking, should look like thanks for not smoking. As in the case of other notices, adding please word will have great impact on reader. Question number 4. If we decide to give alms to a beggar, how should we give it? Answer. Giving alms to beggar is a graceful thing. It can be done in a better way. If we decide to give alms to a beggar, we should give it nicely saying, "Here, take this." Question number 5. Pick out any public notice. Try to make it read more polite. Answer. We see a number of public notices, instructions and orders as no parking, no admission. These notices sound rather rough. If we make them read politely, they should be like thanks for not entering, thanks for not smoking. Third main, answer the following in 2 to 3 sentences each. Question number 1. What word usually makes our enquiries more polite? Illustrate with an example. Answer. A word of good manner makes our enquiry polite. For an illustration, suppose we go to a railway station. There we want to inquire about the arrival timing of Nizamuddin Express. We inquire the station manager asking, "May I know the arrival time of Nizamuddin Express?" or "May I know when Nizamuddin Express arrives, please?" Question number 2. Imagine that you are talking to someone on the phone. How would you start the conversation? Answer. If I am talking to someone on the phone, I would start the conversation asking politely which the time, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Then ask for name like, "May I know who is speaking, please?" Question number 3. Read paragraph 14 carefully. Do you agree with the comparison made there? Discuss. Answer. When we speak about saying or doing things better, a question arises about comparison because better usually follows than. Wise people say we should compare ourselves with own selves. However, author says that we should compare our performance of last year and see whether we are doing better or not. Question number 4. Why does the author say that there is no formula for best action or best form of speech? Answer. It may be noted that there is no limit to the improvement we can make in our action or speech, nor can we say that a particular action or form of speech is the best. There is no formula. What is best may be depend on the occasion, and it may be possible to continuously make improvement. Question number 5. Why we should not feel complacent that we are doing fine? Answer. Success is a journey, not a destination. We can say progress is also a journey and not a destination. Therefore, we should not feel complacent that we are doing fine. Question number 6. According to the author, if we think little more, what we can learn? Answer. According to the author, when we think little more, we can learn to do or say things in a better way by giving some thought to our action or speech. Question number 7. What did the person in the erstwhile company says to author? Answer. The author had an appointment with a person who was a senior to him in the erstwhile company. The author was a bit late. He said, I am sorry I made you wait. Oh, it is okay. The person said and added, it is pleasure waiting for you. Question number 8. What did the person in the erstwhile company says to author? The question and answer is repeated. We can ignore this one. Question number 9. You can write it as 8. What did the trainee say about the incident happened in the lift? Answer. The author mentioned the incident happened in the lift and asked the trainee to explain how this situation would have been rendered better. A couple of trainees said that the two persons who were removing the pockets could have said something like, 1 minute sir, we will finish in no time. However, another trainee said, you could have thought of lending a helping hand to them. Question number 10. In fact, it is 9. According to the author, how do the shopkeepers respond to customers? Answer. According to the author, if we go to a shop and ask for something, most often the shopkeepers or the salesperson reaches out to the item we want and hands it over to us. No word, nothing. Author feels shopkeeper would say just 2 words, yes sir. Will customers feel pleasant with those words? Question number 11. How do the people react to beggars? Answer. People refuse to look at the beggars. If he persists, they indicate that he should go ahead. Some say, Munde hogappa, go further, or some such thing, and some don't say anything and send them their body language. Last question it is in this main. How would you react if someone asks you to find some address? Answer. I would start my conversation with a little smile while talking a few friendly words. I would tell them the way of their destination. If I am on the same way, I may take them with me. So here after a smile, why is written, kindly write down it as while. Fourth main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Write the correct or the most appropriate answer in the space provided. Answer is already highlighted in bold letters. First one, success is a, option A is the right answer, journey. Second one, progress is a journey and not a destination. B is the right answer. 3, courtesy means good manners. C is the right option. 4, maaf karo is said to beggars in Mumbai. Option A is the right answer. 5, smile can go a long way in making the patients feel better. Option B is the right answer. 6th one, when the giving become inevitable, many people give alms to beggar grudgingly. B is the right answer. Seventh one is a genuine need in public notices. Brevity. Option D is the right answer. Eighth one, whatever we do, let's try to do it better. Option B is the right answer. 9. Probably doctors simply that they are doing serious work. Option B is the right answer. 10th one, the whole idea is to be aware of the need and importance of doing and dash saying things better and better. Option C is the right answer. 5th main, read the following extracts and answer the questions given below. First one, I am very grateful to you. Who said this? Clifford Martis said this. Who did he say so? Our actions, words, let us try to do it better. Instead of saying thanks, thanks a lot would be much better way. Second one, I am sorry I made you wait. Who does I refer to? I refer to Clifford Martis. To whom he asked sorry and why? Clifford Martis asked sorry to a person who was senior to him in the erstwhile company. He asked sorry because he was a bit late and tried to make amends. Third extract, you could have thought of lending a helping hand to them. Who said this? One of the trainees said it. You can write it like this. One of the trainees said it. Kindly scratch A. It is not necessary. B. How the speaker would have lend a helping hand to them. Lend. Not it is lent. It is written it as lend. A helping hand to them. Answer. Once the speaker was waiting for lift. The lift came down and he found two fellows started removing the pockets which were fully occupying the lift. Just the speaker was waiting for them to remove the pockets. Instead of this, he would have helped them in their job so that it would have looked fair. Comprehension related question and answers. Comprehension 1. The author gives a number of instances of expressions that sound odd or unpleasant. Find all such expressions from the text and rewrite them in polite form. Answer. The author gives a number of instances of expressions that sound odd or unpleasant. According to the author, in South India, some restaurants are famous for the tasty fare they offer. Naturally, they have big rush and it is a problem for the management. In one such restaurant, he saw a board, don't sit for a long time. This expression sounds odd or unpleasant. This can be rewritten in a polite form as please make room for waiting customers or kindly make room for waiting friends. Here for is written again, that has to be removed. Kindly write down as kindly make room for waiting friends. Secondly, there are a number of notices, instructions and orders like no parking, no smoking, no admission, visitors' cars are not allowed. These sound rather rough. They are unpleasant. They can be rewritten in polite manner like no parking please or thank you for not parking. Thank you for not smoking. Stop and proceed can be rewritten as please stop and proceed. Thirdly, people on their phone ask who is this? This sound odd or unpleasant. This can be asked in a polite form as may I know who is calling please. Fourthly, in some restaurants, the waiters usually come and stand near you. They simply say yes sir. This sounds odd or unpleasant. Instead of saying so, they may say in a polite way as may I know sir, what order can you place please. Thus the instances of the expressions given by the author can be rewritten in polite manner. Comprehension 2 related question. Recall a situation that still makes you feel pleased by the speaker's words. Why? Discuss. Answer. The words of the speaker are polite and they seem to be the best words. They may be of expressing thanks or telling something is a polite way. We are glad to know that one method of improving our communication with other is to put you before I as far as possible. Comprehension related. Third question, how can we react if someone says no? Why discuss? Answer. On many occasions, if the response is no, it seems to be odd or unpleasant. Suppose if a person responds no when we ask him for a tea or coffee or anything, this response no is not a good expression. At least you should add some words to no, like not thanks. If someone says no, we should react saying it's alright. Oh, it's okay. Thanks for it. So with these words, we have completed all question answers, objective type question answers, and vocabulary related as well as grammar related. All the activities are completed and it has written in the textbook. So with these words, I would like to conclude my class. In case you have any worries, suggestions related to notes, kindly comment and suggest. Thanks a lot.